Setting up your BT YouView box is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. We'll start by making the essential connections to get your box ready for use. First, connect your BT YouView box to your TV using an HDMI cable. For the best experience, use an HDMI 2.1 compatible cable which supports 4K at 60 frames per second, along with HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and Dolby Vision. Next, you need to connect your box to the internet. You have two options: Wi-Fi for wireless convenience, or Ethernet cable for the most stable connection. For Wi-Fi setup, navigate to Network Settings on your box and select your home network. The latest BT YouView boxes support Wi-Fi 6 for enhanced connectivity. You'll need a minimum speed of 10 megabits per second for HD content or 25 megabits per second for 4K streaming. Alternatively, you can use an Ethernet cable for a wired connection. Simply connect the cable from your router to the Ethernet port on the back of your BT YouView box. This provides the most stable connection, especially important for consistent 4K streaming. Once connected to the internet, your BT YouView box will automatically scan for available channels and install any necessary software updates. This process happens in the background and ensures you have access to all available services and the latest features. Now that your BT YouView box is connected, the next step is linking your BT ID to activate all your services. This authentication process unlocks access to your full range of content and features. Once authenticated, you gain access to Freeview Play, which provides over 70 television channels and more than 15 high-definition channels. This gives you a comprehensive selection of live television content. Your BT YouView box also integrates popular catch-up services directly into the interface. You'll have built-in access to BBC iPlayer, ITV Hub, All4, and My5, allowing you to watch missed programs on demand. If you're a BT Sport subscriber, you'll have seamless access to those channels as well. The integration means no separate login or switching between different interfaces. The Electronic Program Guide, or EPG, provides a comprehensive 14-day program guide with powerful search functionality. This makes it easy to find and plan your viewing across all available content. The entire setup process is largely automated, making it simple to unify various content sources into a single, easy-to-use interface. The system handles most of the configuration automatically. If you encounter any issues during setup, the most common problems are Wi-Fi connectivity issues, HDMI handshake problems, and account authentication errors. Most of these can be resolved quickly with basic troubleshooting steps.